Honestly, I'm heartbroken because I lost the audio, but no worries, I will do a voiceover. Aquí ando muy chingona, just mixing it in, putting it on my leg y todo. But you guys, I am such a wuss. Like, so I just called my man to do it for me, and this man did not hold back. I wish you guys could hear the audio. It was just like shh, and I was like shh, shh, When I tell you that I crybabied, I crybabied. So anyway, I told my man, hey, that hurt so bad, I'm going to go ahead and try it on you. So that's exactly what we did. Here's the aftermath of all the hairs. Put on this little serum. Far so good. My legs are shiny. They're smooth. So I'm excited to see how long it takes for my hair to grow back. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you guys are interested in Crybaby Wax, I will have their information down below.